Hi everyone, I'm Katie and today I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you my 5 top tips on how to get incredible shimmies. So grab your favorite hip scarf and let's get practicing. Okay guys, so tip number 1 is stretching. It's really important to make sure your legs are warm and ready and prepared. If they're really tight or they're feeling stiff, then you're not going to get a good shimmy out of it. So make sure you stretch. I've got a great video on a 10-minute warm-up, which is perfect to get you going for your shimmies. Tip number 2 is technique. Now we need to make sure that we've got the perfect technique to get these incredible shimmies. So we want to start by taking our knees back, back, back. Imagine you're on a cross trainer, that kind of action, but don't use the arms. So get those knees working and you start building up the speed. Try and think of lifting from your thighs as well. So we think of lifting up so the whole body isn't moving. And get those shimmies working. So you build up the speed, build up the legs, faster and faster. You can take your heels off the ground slightly, just so you get extra movement from your knees. Okay guys, tip number 3, the floor. We're gonna practice building our muscles by hitting our legs against the ground. So really try and hit your legs against that ground. You might hear your thighs slapping, but don't worry, that's fine. Build up the speed again. And this is going to help make your muscles even stronger for your shimmies. Tip number 4, the wall. Again, like the floor, we just want to hit our legs against the wall as hard as we can. Support yourself against the wall so you don't have to think about anything. Just get your legs working as fast as they can. And last but certainly not least, tip number 5, practice. It is so important to practice your shimmies. Believe me, they get better and better the more you practice. The more you practice, the more your muscles will grow and they'll develop, and it will get so much easier the more you practice. You might think you might not want to, but believe me, practice makes it absolutely perfect. So those are my 5 top tips. So we'll start with moving the knees nice and slow, and we'll build up the speed. Only take it in your own time though, it might not happen straight away. And when you feel more confident, build the speed up. And keep it going. Fabulous work with your shimmies, guys. And just remember, tip 5, keep practicing. Practice will always make it better. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment below. If there's any videos you'd like to see, let me know, and let me know how you're getting on with your practice. And tune in next week for more belly dance videos. See you then.